I'm going to do a railroad spike knife today. So that's a good color to start. So first we're just hammering down. You want to try to hammer from your shoulder and not your wrist, just to save energy. You don't have to go fast either. Nice, good, strong strokes are good. This a little wider, so I'm just going to work along the cutting edge side. Still hitting that down straight, but that starts to push that material out. Capture it blade down in the vise. Put the twisting wrench around and walk clockwise one time. Got to ignore the stick. There we go. And then that's the twist.